to St. Paul English School of Ulhasnagar. Students, today we are going to make Holi colors by using natural materials. To make these colors, we require some natural materials. Let's see the list of materials. First, you require any flour. You can take a flour of wheat or a flour of corn flour. Then, you require haldi powder. Haldi is the natural material, so we can use haldi for making color. Let's see how to make Holi color by using flour and haldi. For this color, first you have to take 1 tablespoon of flour. Any flour you can take. You can take wheat flour or corn flour. Then you have to add 1 full tablespoon of haldi powder. Mix it well with your fingers. Yes, you can see our yellow color is ready. We can use this color to play Holi. It's a natural color. More idea of making Holi color. In this, we can use beetroot. So first, you have to take 1 beetroot and you have to peel it. Peel it properly. You can take help of your elders. In this way, you have to peel your beetroot. Now, with the help of grater, you have to grate it in a plate. That's correct way. When you will grate the beetroot, you will get this type of beetroot. You will get this type of beetroot. You will get this type of crush. You have to dry it. After drying it, you have to grind it in the mixer. When you will grind it in the mixer, you will get this type of powder. And now we are going to use this powder to make Holi color. Let's see. First, you have to take 1 tablespoon of any flour. Mix a powder which you made by using beetroot this way. Now mix it with your finger. In this way, your new color is ready. More idea. For this, you need some flour. First, you have to dry petals of the flowers. Then, you have to grind it in the mixer. You will get this type of fine powder. You can see it. It's a powder of flower's petal. Now, take 1 tablespoon of flour and 1 tablespoon of petals powder. Mix it well. You can add some more petal powder. In this way, your new natural color is ready. So, in this way, you can make natural homemade colors for Holi festival and you can have a happy and safe Holi. Happy Holi to everybody. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.